Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best rebar tying tool is probably one of the most underrated tools in the construction industry, but it's a game changer for anyone working with reinforced concrete. This tool simplifies the tedious task of tying rebar, saving you time and effort while ensuring the structural integrity of your projects. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of rebar tying tools, exploring their features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Makita XRT01TK18V Cordless Rebar Tying Tool Kit. Introducing the Makita XRT01TK, a cordless rebar tying tool. This tool is designed for efficiency and power, making your rebar tying tasks easier and faster. With the 18V LXT 5.0 Ah battery, it can tie up to 5,300 times. It can handle multiple bar tying, including up to 2 number 5 diameter bars or 4 number 4 diameter bars. It features a 2-mode operation for single or continuous wire tie actuation. This allows you to choose the best setting for your specific needs, ensuring fast and efficient tying. The tool has a fast and seamless wire reel easy-load design. It also includes an automatic locking mechanism built into the protective cover, making it user-friendly. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes. This allows the motor to run cooler and more efficiently, extending its lifespan. The wire diameter is 21 gauge. What we like. This tool boasts a brushless motor, ensuring longer life and efficiency. It can tie multiple bars in under a second, saving you valuable time. If you're working on large projects with varying rebar sizes and need speed and efficiency, this is the tool for you. What people say. The battery life and easy-to-use setup is extremely valuable. Even a rookie can tie rebar, saving us lots of time over the old hand ties. Over a half of a case of wire and still on the original battery and charge. Lightweight and balanced nicely. We this tool to attach tubing to rebar for radiant floor heating and it is quick. 2 or 3 times faster than zip ties. Used 14 rolls of wire and had 3 lights on the battery. Number 4. Max RB441T Rebar Tying Tool, up to #7x#7. Introducing the Max RB441T, a powerful tool designed for efficiency. This tool is perfect for quickly and securely tying rebar, saving you valuable time and effort on the job. The RB441T is built to handle tough jobs. It can tie rebar up to number 7x7, making it suitable for a wide range of construction projects. This ensures a strong and reliable bond every time. This tool uses 19GA wire, which is readily available and cost-effective. The wire is designed to provide a secure tie, ensuring the integrity of your rebar structure. It's a reliable choice for professionals. With the Max RB441T, you can significantly speed up your rebar tying process. Its automated operation minimizes manual labor, increasing productivity. This tool is a game changer for any construction site. The Max RB441T is built to last, with a robust design that can withstand the demands of daily use. It's a reliable tool that you can depend on for consistent performance. Invest in quality and get the job done right. What we like. This tool is designed to handle heavy-duty rebar tying tasks. It can tie up to #7x#7 rebar, making it suitable for demanding construction projects. If you're working on projects that require robust and reliable tying, this is the tool for you. What people say. This tool saved many man-hours of labor and paid for itself the first week. This tool works great for me. Saves a lot of man-hours on job. Used on one large job, 60,000 ties, and figured it saved over 150 man-hours. Works real well for tying beams because one person can hold the stirrup and tie. Number 3. Max USA RB398 Rebar Tier. Introducing the Max USA RB398 Rebar Tier. This tool is designed to make your rebar tying tasks easier and more efficient. It's a game changer for construction professionals. Weighing in at only 5.3 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and compact. This design allows you to maneuver easily around the job site, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. The Li-ion 4.0 Ah battery provides exceptional performance. You can get approximately 2,600 ties per charge, ensuring you can complete your work without frequent recharges. This tool offers flexible application, tying from #3x #3 to #5x #6 rebar. It adapts to various project requirements, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. With approximately 120 ties per coil of wire, it maximizes your wire usage. This feature helps reduce material waste and improve overall cost effectiveness. The battery charges in just 40 minutes. This quick charging time minimizes downtime, allowing you to get back to work quickly and efficiently. What we like. This Rebar Tying is lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle. It offers a high tie count per charge and fast charging, ensuring minimal downtime. If you value portability and efficiency on the job site, you should consider this one. What people say. The battery lasts around 2,000 plus ties per charge. Battery lasts me 14 rolls first use. Doubled our productivity. Number 2. USA RB611T TwinTier Rebar Tying TW1061T. Introducing the USA RB611T TwinTier Rebar Tying. This tool is designed for efficient rebar tying. It's a reliable solution for your construction needs. The model is TW1061T. It's built to last and perform consistently. You can count on it for your projects. This tool uses 19-gauge wire. It ensures a strong and secure tie every time. This feature enhances the durability of your work. The package includes one unit. It's a complete solution ready for use. Get yours today and experience the difference. Please verify tool compatibility before ordering. Ensure it meets your specific requirements. Make sure this is the right tool for your job. What we like. This tool is designed with specific compatibility in mind. It uses 19GA wire, ensuring secure and reliable ties. If you need a tool with specific wire requirements, this is the one to choose. What people say. We tie a lot of rebar cages for light poles and foundations, and this thing rocks. This is our new favorite for sure. Number 1. Rebar tying machine with 2 batteries. This rebar tying machine is designed for efficiency. It's a powerful tool that simplifies the process of tying steel bars, making construction work easier and faster. The machine ties a knot in just 0.8 seconds, significantly boosting your productivity. It's so efficient that one machine can replace the work of multiple laborers, saving you time and resources. It comes with two 4,500 mAh batteries, ensuring long-lasting performance. The batteries fully charge in just 1.5 hours, allowing you to work continuously without frequent interruptions. This tool is perfect for various projects, including buildings, bridges, and tunnels. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for any construction site. When installing the coil, test the knot several times to ensure it works properly. If the wire doesn't come out, check the coil installation. This machine is user-friendly and designed for optimal performance. What we like. This machine significantly boosts your tying efficiency, completing each knot in just 0.8 seconds. It comes with 2 high-capacity batteries for extended use, minimizing downtime. If you're looking to increase productivity and work on various construction projects, this tool is perfect for you. What people say. So far I have used this gun on wire rebar in over 110 yards of concrete. 3 different projects. It has always worked good, occasionally a missed tie will occur, but it is a back saver. Looks like should work perfect. Impressed with its tying. Working good. Text_hand_clapping happy so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.